The Attendance app is a comprehensive workforce management system designed to simplify attendance tracking, employee management, and administrative operations. It provides a comprehensive view of a dashboard that is centralized for your daily goals. Timely alerts for updates and approvals, along with a secure check-in, check-out through facial recognition. It also provides the user with work status, working hours, and daily log history for streamlined performance. The login screen provides access to your account. By entering your registered credentials, attendance, activity, and system features is securely managed. Access and manage your personal information, update or reset your password, log out securely, and view essential app details from a single profile section. It provides everything a user needs: change password, leave requests, on time, late chart, and attendance report. The admin panel offers a quick access to employees' data, client setup, holiday setup, and user devices to the administration. It also provides timely profile and device approvals. The admin panel consists of some power features like employee setup, user device approvals, and register user devices, and office devices that streamline the administration task. Through Profile Photo Approval screen, admins can review and approve employee profile photos to maintain authenticity and consistency across user profiles. The user flow of this feature is a two-step process for both user and admins, ensuring a streamlined flow for user photo approvals. Holiday setup is a section that allows admins to define company holidays, ensuring attendance calculations automatically account for non-working days. Through client setup, admins can configure and manage client details within the system, supporting organizational structure and operational requirements. The Manager panel provides a detailed view for managers to have access to assigned tasks, shows a list of pending approvals, team tasks, and the team members. This user flow allows management to fulfill daily tasks easily. Through Pending Approvals section, managers can view and manage all pending requests, including leave applications and leave cancellation submissions, allowing timely approvals or rejections. Through this panel, managers can assign tasks to team members, define responsibilities, and ensure work is distributed efficiently across the team. This user flow provides a simple step-by-step guide to assign tasks to either one or multiple members of the team. This section provides a consolidated view of all tasks assigned to the team, enabling managers to track progress and monitor completion status. Managers can access a complete list of team members along with the details, making it easier to manage, monitor, and coordinate team activities. The Reports section is a centralized and structured view of attendance, task progress, and overall team activity, helping managers track performance, monitor late entries, and identify absent employees efficiently. Within the Reports section, the Attendance report provides detailed insights into team attendance through multiple views and filters. Other key features of Reports section provides the manager with records of attendance history, absent report, task report, absent, late and present records, absent employees, late employees, team attendance, and an additional feature where managers can also apply for leave. Our attendance application is built using a combination of modern and efficient technologies to ensure performance, scalability, and security. Get in touch with us to explore how this solution can be tailored to your needs. We're always open to new ideas, collaborations, and opportunities.